Hey, welcome to Gerard's Horticulture Culture. Hey, what's happening? Welcome to my channel. I'm going to be talking about my Pink Princess collection for June 2022. A lot to show you. Hang around to the end because I want to talk about my Instagram giveaway. I'm going to be giving away one of my Pink Princesses. And if it's the first time you saw my channel, hit that like and subscribe. Don't hit it. Just if you could click the like and subscribe button, I'd appreciate it if you like what you see. I want to be talking about my Pink Princess. Let's get into it. I have the grow lights on. It's a fantastic thing to have them because I think they're helping me contribute to something like this. Something like this, ladies and gentlemen. Been fortunate to grow a couple of Pink Princesses, and it's been a great experience keeping these plants because they always, this leaf was not too long ago, not a long ago, unfurled. But this one, this is where, it's like the stock market is dropping and then the stock market is coming back up, or if you're shorter, it's going down again. This is what I like to see. This is like Christmas when you get to see this pink, this variegation, and then you get this pink variegation. Then you got that one. So I had it, I was getting it. I was like, all right, what's going on? Then down here, I was like, okay, what's going on? We got spots of pink. Then I can see more pink on the stem. It needs to grow on something. You can see how stiff it is. I did my own mix with this in this plastic container. It has holes on the bottom, has drainage holes, but if you look inside, it has perlite, it has coconut coir, sphagnum peat moss, fertilizer, and I put a couple leca in there for some reason. But I put leca in there. And also put worm castings, all natural worm castings. I think they're only all natural anyway. But put some of that in there to help the plant grow. But we're happy we got this one. This is one of my babies, but this is not what I'm going to be giving away. Please stay tuned to the end. I appreciate it. This is another Pink Princess. We still got some spotting of pink. Pretty cool. Stem looks good, so this looks promising. So we'll see what happens as it gets closer to the light. We'll see if it wants to give me some more pink. Actually, this soil was just straight up. I believe this was Happy Frog. That's what I have for Happy Frog. Really good drainage. I had perlite in there. Another Pink Princess. This is actually one I cut. You can see where it cut off at. And then I cut it again here. So it's been cut twice and it's still showing me pink. So that's interesting to see. You can see what's going on here. That new leaf has got me good. This is good. This was good. Just a little thin, but pretty decent variegation. This is my mother plant that I cut. I had this for a while. I did a video on this unboxing. I cut it twice and it's doing pretty good. It's doing pretty good. I cannot say it's a bad looking plant. It's even taller. I was thinking about cutting it back again for the third time, but I said no, since I got that pretty leaf there. I just said, let me just keep it as is. I don't want to move it too much. And that's one I have growing on a cocoa coir moss pole that I never wet, which I need to wet. We'll see what happens, but I'm still seeing maturity. So those are my Pink Princesses. The last one I'm going to do is where I'm going to show you. This one is going to be the giveaway Pink Princess. It's like half moon, so when you get it, We're gonna do it fast. We're gonna get it to you fast. When this unfurls, it's gonna look very nice. It just has like, probably today, it'll probably unfurl, which will be cool. I'll see it fully just open up. But this is the one I'll be giving away. I have it in perlite right now and a red Dixie cup. I know it's not as fancy as you may think, but this is the one some lucky person may have, and it's in great condition. This is going to be a stunner. So I can't wait to give this to some lucky follower of mine. And once again, appreciate you guys hitting that like and subscribe button on here. But follow me on Instagram, and then I will announce the rules and the contest rules, how they do the contest rules, and we'll go from there. That's all I got for you guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, my humidity is 50%. Usually most of the time I'm giving these plants about 230 to 250 foot candles of light. I water them once the soil gets dry, like up to here, and a day or two after. I water that, and I also dust the leaves, and I make sure that they know I love them. That's how I do it, folks. Thanks for watching. Keep growing.